Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. This hypercar represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending Formula One technology with road-going usability. Let's dive deep into what makes the Valkyrie a true masterpiece: design and aerodynamics. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a visual marvel, showcasing a design that is both futuristic and functional. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, primarily to enhance aerodynamics and downforce. The car's teardrop-shaped cockpit and pronounced wheel arches are not just aesthetic choices but are meticulously crafted to manage airflow efficiently. One of the most striking features is the extensive use of underfloor aerodynamics. The Valkyrie employs a large front splitter and a massive rear diffuser, working in harmony to channel air beneath the car, creating significant downforce without relying heavily on large wings. This design philosophy results in a clean, sleek profile that is as beautiful as it is functional. The body is constructed entirely from carbon fiber, ensuring rigidity while keeping weight to a minimum. The attention to detail is evident in elements like the active aerodynamic components, small flaps and winglets that adjust in real time to optimize performance based on driving conditions, powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Valkyrie lies a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth. This masterpiece of engineering delivers an astounding 1,000 horsepower, revving up to an exhilarating 11,000 RPM. The engine is a tribute to high revving performance, providing a visceral and engaging driving experience. Complementing the V12 is a hybrid system that adds an extra 160 horsepower, bringing the total output to a staggering 1,160 horsepower. This electric boost not only enhances acceleration but also aids in torque filling, ensuring immediate throttle response across the rev range. The power is transmitted to the rear wheels through a 7-speed single-clutch automated manual transmission, specifically chosen for its lightweight properties and rapid gear shifts. The Valkyrie's performance figures are nothing short of breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 215 miles per hour. Chassis and handling. The Valkyrie's chassis is a testament to cutting-edge engineering. Built around a carbon fiber monocoque, it offers exceptional strength and rigidity. The suspension system is inspired by Formula One technology, featuring an inboard pushrod setup with adjustable dampers. This configuration allows for precise handling characteristics and the ability to fine-tune the car's dynamics to suit both road and track conditions. One of the standout features is the active suspension system, which works in conjunction with the aerodynamic components to maintain optimal ride height and balance. In track mode, the car lowers its ride height significantly, increasing downforce to as much as 1,100 kilograms, ensuring unparalleled grip and stability during high-speed cornering. The steering is electrically assisted but has been calibrated to provide a natural and communicative feel, allowing the driver to have complete confidence and control. The braking system is equally impressive, utilizing carbon ceramic discs and advanced regenerative braking to ensure consistent and powerful stopping performance. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the Valkyrie, you're greeted by a cockpit that is both minimalist and driver-focused. The seating position is reminiscent of a Formula One car, with the driver and passenger seated in a reclined, feet-up posture. This layout not only lowers the car's center of gravity but also enhances the connection between the driver and the machine. The seats themselves are molded directly into the chassis, with padding added for comfort. This design choice reduces weight and increases structural integrity. The steering wheel is a work of art, housing all essential controls and a central display that provides critical information such as speed, gear selection, and engine parameters. Additional information is displayed on 2 screens located on either side of the dashboard, replacing traditional mirrors with camera feeds that offer a broader field of view and reduced aerodynamic drag. Despite its performance-oriented nature, The Valkyrie doesn't skimp on creature comforts. It includes climate control, a premium sound system, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that occupants can enjoy both the thrill of driving and modern conveniences. Production and exclusivity. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is the epitome of exclusivity, with production limited to just 150 units worldwide. Each car is bespoke, allowing owners to customize various aspects to their personal taste, from exterior colors to interior materials. This level of personalization ensures that no two Valkyries are exactly alike. The development of the Valkyrie has been a collaborative effort between Aston Martin and Red Bull Advanced Technologies, with legendary Formula One designer Adrian Newey playing a pivotal role in its conception. This partnership has resulted in a car that seamlessly blends racing pedigree with road-going practicality. Racing pedigree. In addition to the road-going version, Aston Martin has developed the Valkyrie AMR Pro, a track-only variant that pushes the boundaries even further. The AMR Pro features a more aggressive aerodynamic package, increased power output, and a reduced weight, delivering a driving experience that is as close to a Le Mans prototype as one can get. The Valkyrie's racing credentials are not just limited to the AMR Pro. Aston Martin has announced plans to enter the Valkyrie in the hypercar class of the World Endurance Championship, including the iconic 24 Hours of Le Mans. This move signifies a return to top-tier endurance racing for the brand and showcases the Valkyrie's capabilities on the world stage. Conclusion. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is more than just a hypercar. It's a statement of what's possible when automotive engineering is pushed to its absolute limits. It embodies the perfect fusion of art and science, delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and unparalleled. Whether on the road or the track, the Valkyrie stands as a testament to Aston Martin's commitment to innovation, performance, and timeless design. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Stay tuned to Car Enthusiast for more in-depth reviews and discussions on the world's most exciting automobiles. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.